Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up as a publisher on Awin in 2026. Do you want to earn money by promoting brands through affiliate marketing? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up as a publisher on Awin and get started. Now, in order to join the Awin, we're going to have to search for Awin in Google or basically any search engine. Then you're going to go to the official Awin website and select the option to join as publisher, or you can look directly for joining as a publisher and you'll be directed to this page. Now here you're going to enter your email address, your company name. You're going to make sure the information you provide is accurate because Awin may use it during the verification process. So make sure you enter all these informations. And next, you're going to provide your personal or business information. You're going to click on the promotional type here. You're going to enter some information here. Then you're going to access this section. And you're going to typically select your country, provide your contact details, and agree to all its terms and conditions, and follow each step shown on the registration page. You also need to provide information about how you plan to promote advertisers, and this can include your website, your social media presence, and content platform or other promotional channels. So be honest and make sure your promotion methods comply with Awin's policies. Also, make sure to complete any required verification and submit your application, and Awin will review the information you provide before activating your account. And that's it. That's how you sign up as a publisher on Awin in 2026. Once approved, you can start exploring affiliate programs and available advertisers. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.